society. From its humble beginnings in the 1980s, additive manufacturing, or 3D printing, has evolved into a game changer for the space industry and beyond. This article explores the ways in which additive manufacturing is revolutionizing space exploration and its wider implications for society. Applications in the space industry. Additive manufacturing offers a significant advantage in reducing costs associated with space missions. Traditional manufacturing methods can be intricate, labor-intensive, and costly. With 3D printing, components can be created with minimal waste and fewer resources, leading to increased efficiency and cost savings. In-space manufacturing, facilitated by additive manufacturing, is an emerging area with the potential to revolutionize space missions. Printing spare parts and other components in space minimizes the need for launching large quantities of spare parts from Earth, reduces overall mass of payloads, cuts launch costs, and enables missions to be more flexible and adaptive. Additive manufacturing also enables the use of new materials and innovative designs that were previously impossible or impractical with traditional methods. Lightweight and strong materials, such as metal alloys and composites, can be combined to create optimized structures for space applications. The freedom to create intricate geometries allows engineers to develop more efficient and functional spacecraft components. Societal impacts. Additive manufacturing can contribute significantly to environmental sustainability. The reduction of material waste, the ability to recycle materials, and the potential to utilize resources from space, for example, moon or asteroid mining, can help minimize the ecological footprint of manufacturing processes. The decreasing cost of space exploration due to additive manufacturing is expected to stimulate economic growth by creating new jobs, driving innovation, and attracting investments. The rise of new industries, such as space tourism, is also anticipated to generate significant economic benefits. Additive manufacturing in space applications can help educate and train the next generation of engineers, scientists, and technicians. As the technology becomes more accessible and affordable, educational institutions can incorporate hands-on learning experiences, encouraging students to develop skills in design, engineering, and manufacturing. Everyday citizens impact. The impact of additive manufacturing on the space industry extends to everyday citizens. As 3D printing continues to reshape the way we approach space exploration, several aspects of daily life can be affected by these advancements. Expanded access to space technologies can lead to new products, services, and applications that improve everyday life, ranging from advanced materials to satellite-based internet services and Earth monitoring systems. The democratization of space and the integration of additive manufacturing in educational settings can inspire future generations to pursue careers in STEM fields. This inspiration can lead to the development of a skilled workforce capable of addressing some of society's most pressing challenges, both on Earth and in space. The advancements in additive manufacturing will play a vital role in making space tourism a reality by reducing the cost of spacecraft production and maintenance. Furthermore, innovations developed for space exploration have found their way into spin-off technologies that benefit everyday life in various industries such as automotive, medical, construction, and consumer electronics. Additive manufacturing's contribution to space exploration may indirectly impact climate change research and monitoring. Satellites and other space-based platforms, developed and maintained more efficiently with 3D printing, can provide crucial data about the Earth's climate and environment. This information can guide policymakers and researchers in developing strategies to mitigate climate change and protect the planet for future generations. In conclusion, additive manufacturing's impact on the space industry extends beyond astronauts and scientists and has a significant potential to touch various aspects of daily life and contribute to a brighter future for all.